So my Angelus Direct stuff just came in the mail today. Let's see what we got going. I'm pretty excited. As you can see, they pack things very tightly. Bunch of packing paper. Got all my cleaner to clean my shoes. I ordered my paint markers, the whole kit here. It's got all the tips inside. Pretty excited about those, if you guys can see that there. Yeah. So I got those there. Had to order some matte acrylic finisher. This is what finishes the shoes. I ordered some of the high gloss too, which is in there. That's right there. Got the high gloss. Looks like they did send me 2 of the shoe trees, which I ordered. I got some from Walmart and I was just not happy with them. So I thought I'd try these out. These things were pretty cheap. I think they were only like $3. So I ordered 2 of those. Let's see. Other one's in there. There it is. Got the other one. So got those. Let's see. I guess that's one of their gifts that they threw in there. Not sure exactly what that is, but I'll figure that out. Yeah, so not sure if you guys can see that. Pretty cool. My shipping order, everything that I ordered there. Oh, I got another sticker, but I already have that one, so oh well. You know, it is what it is when you order. Oh, but I don't have that one, so that's cool. That's pretty cool. Got another bag, which is the same bag as you guys can see back there, which I could use. I'm kind of loaded up with a bunch of stuff, but and then got myself a lanyard, Angelus lanyard. Not sure if you guys can see, my lighting's not the greatest in here right now. And then all of my paints that I had to order up. I got my Parisian pink, which is a hot pink. It's one of their neon colors. Got those there. I have my Paradise Purple and Lava Orange, which these 2 colors I use quite a bit. I actually used both of these colors on this shoe here. Yeah, I'm not sure if you can really tell, but anyways, that's kind of one of the rainbow shoes I did. Use both of those colors on there. Also used the Amazon green on that one, but I use that on quite a bit. I've never used this cognac, but figured I'd order it and use it sometime. Fire red I use a lot, so I just thought I'd order an extra one to have it on hand. I ordered 2 cognacs apparently, so apparently I wasn't paying attention to detail. Anyways, I got 2 cognacs, blue turquoise, and a sapphire. That looks to be about it inside the box there. But all in all, that there was my complete order. So as you guys can see, ordered quite a bit there. And these are some of the shoes that I've done. If you guys can see those back there. Show me shoes, guys. Show me shoes. Check it out on Instagram. Check out Angelus. You know, they have some of the best leather paints if you're looking to get into this game. I just started not too long ago. It's a little hobby that I've done. I have quite a bit of fun doing it. This is my latest shoe that I'm working on right now, which I'm going to go ahead and show up some of these shoes that I'm doing. I'll pull them up a little bit closer so you guys can see the detail. This is my splatter shoe. I like to do a lot of the Air Force ones. And what I do is I get these shoes from either like Facebook, Craigslist, thrift stores, stuff like that, and I clean them up really good because this right here does miracles. You guys do not understand. If you do not, or if you guys want to clean up your shoes, if they are dirty, try this first, and they bring these shoes back to life. If you guys would have seen these things were throwaways, but that stuff there cleaned them up and made them look brand new. I don't know if you guys can see how white these things are, but the people that brought them in and took them to the thrift store, I mean, they look like they were ready to be thrown away, and man, they are clean now. So yeah, but that shoe came out really well. This is the rainbow shoe. Kind of airbrushed that one. Started off with a turquoise blue, green, did the fire red, went to the pink, and then came back with the yellow into the center here. Just a little bit of fun with the airbrush gun. Turned out pretty well. This is my baby blue and dark blue Nike high top. You know, had a little fun with that guy. Actually got this shoe for 10 bucks. And this is my latest project right here. This one's been pretty fun to do. I've had a lot of compliments on this one. You know, this guy was dirty, and cleaned it up, and you know, after she gets laced up and all finished up, I think she'll sell pretty well. So again, it's a hobby that I've had, and Angelus, thank you for everything that you got me. I'm going to keep having fun doing this, so thanks a lot.